Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, a few days ago, I think it was on a Monday or a Tuesday, I received the package that I'm about to unbox over here. I actually just ripped off the side so I can make out that there's no damage, and wanted to see for myself which is the one that I ordered. I was pretty sure which one it was because of the size. But yeah, it came in a few days early, but I think about almost. I think I was expecting it another 5 more days from today, but received it 10 days in advance, which is actually kind of cool. However, there are notices on both Amazon UK as well as eBay UK, eBay.com, all of them, that shipping is going to be delayed, especially internationally. So, me living in India, I was expecting the delay to happen. Things have been bad in the UK and most places here as well. So although we aren't facing that much of a problem in regular stuff happening, still work at home and all those things. So just a quick update kind of thing over there. Anyway, this is a blast from my past. Yeah, so I was thinking about getting this for a long time. I think ever since I actually decided that I'm going to start my collection. So if you're new to the channel, you remember. If you are new to the channel, I actually started my collection late 2018, November 2018. I started with my first few DVD movies, and then slowly started buying from Amazon UK, eBay, ebay.co.uk, right? So that's where I normally buy all my stuff from, because a lot of the stuff that I want may not be available here, and in a lot of cases, especially for television shows and some of the rarer movies which are not that popular here, I need to dip into the international channels and like Amazon UK, Amazon.com. Although I don't really buy from Amazon.com because the import fees and the shipping and handling is pretty expensive. I buy from Amazon UK, I buy from eBay, I buy from ebay.co.uk, and once or twice I bought from eBay Canada. Alright, this one is from eBay UK from, who's the seller? I've decided that I'm going to give, this is from Movie Mars UK, so I've decided that I'm going to give a shout out to, good sellers, and, so anybody else who wants to order, especially from ordering internationally, if you want, please look out for these sellers. So I can give a recommendation for Movie Mars UK, Rare Waves. These are the sellers that I normally tend to buy from on eBay. Movie Masters and Rare Waves on eBay as well as UK. There was another seller, but they've been facing some problems since COVID, so I kind of stopped buying from them, although their rates are pretty decent. So hopefully I'm going to try and buy maybe one or two orders from them in a little while, and see whether the issues have actually stopped. But they were definitely my favorite for a long time, and unfortunately since COVID I've been facing a lot of problems for them. They don't even seem to ship it, and they're in Switzerland and they don't even seem to ship it anymore. They ship it and then it gets stopped and goes back something. Anyway, alright, I need a little drink of water. That's a problem with me rambling on and on. So this video is probably going to be a little lengthy, even it's just one DVD. Yeah, so this is a television show that only aired 12 episodes, and it has one extra episode which was never aired on television. Don't think it is Firefly. I already have Firefly in my collection. This is actually from the 80s. This is from 83, 84. It started out in 83, seeped into the 1984, so it was that particular season. It is from the king of 80s television series, Glenn A. Larson, the late Glenn A. Larson. Thank you very much, by the way, for inspiring lots and lots of young kids. I mean, when I say inspire, more like you kept us entertained for a very long time. I still admire the guy's work, because most of his shows are like childhood favorites of mine, and I like especially something like Battlestar Galactica, which the original one, which is near and dear to my heart always, Knight Rider, those kind of stuff. So this is from the same guy, Glenn A. Larson. Unfortunately, it did not last very long. They also had people who were behind the movie Tron, which I understand was a big hit for Disney. getting close. Anybody getting an idea? I will definitely find put the details of this, which show it is over here. And stars Daisy Arnaz Jr., who is the son of Daisy Arnaz. And well, his mom was Lucy, if I'm not mistaken. From Lucille Ball, that is basically from I Love Lucy. So, Daisy Arnaz Jr. And an actor called Chuck Wagner. Now, I'm just going to, if I remember, Chuck Wagner was actually a sportsman. No, I think I'm thinking of somebody else. Yeah, so I guess he was just an actor, but I don't know. I think I got him confused with someone else. I thought he was actually a football player, an American football player who later became an actor. No, so he was an actor. So Chuck Wagner and Daisy Arnaz Jr. That's the television series. So got this little packet over here. It is a big box set for a show that only had 13 episodes. Funny. So I ripped off the side. It's a nice little set. So I think the DVD box set is actually selling now for, in some places it's £20, £24. It went down for around £16, and that's when I grabbed it, 15.99 or something like that. And the show is basically, it says from the producers of Tron and created by Glendale Larson, it is Automan. Yes, so if you're like me, you grew up in the 80s, you would have probably have seen, maybe even if you were born a little later, you may have seen Automan on television. Like I mentioned, it only lasted for around 12 episodes on television, but on the DVD you get the 13th episode, which was unaired. Sad thing because it got cancelled. So let's rip it open. So that's basically Chuck Wagner and and there's Daisy Arnaz Jr., who is the computer geek guy in the, is it Los Angeles? I think it is Los Angeles Police Department. It doesn't say. It just says police officer. But if I remember correctly, now I haven't seen the show since probably so I left Kuwait in 1987, so they showed it on Kuwaiti television. We left, my family left Kuwait in 1987. I was 11 years old, and I think we recorded a few of the episodes, maybe around 4 or 5, and I did watch them for a long time. So probably the last time I watched any of the episodes was back in, we had them on VHS tapes, so I'm thinking maybe 1990, 91, around that era, maybe, I'm guessing. So I haven't seen them since then, so I definitely will enjoy watching this. Like I mentioned, it's a nostalgic blast from the past. It's going to be really nice to see it. So this is the DVD front. You can take a look. So he is computer generated, basically in the movie as well. Sorry, in the television series as well. So the story goes like this. It's the adventures of a police officer and computer programmer named Walter Nebeker. I always remember the name. Played by Daisy Arnaz Jr. He creates, I think he was experimenting, and then he didn't expect it to become as advanced as it is. An artificially intelligent crime-fighting program that created or generated a hologram in the shape of Chuck Wagner. It's able to leave the computer during the night time and fight crime. Unfortunately, it needs electricity to charge itself, so it can only work during the night, and during the daytime he runs out of power. That was really funny. In the real world, Automan poses as a government agent by the name of Otto J. Man, OTTO space J. Man, which is hilarious. Okay, for me, I mean, back then I really found it, and still do find it funny. I am still 11-year-old kid or 10-year-old kid. What age would I be? 1983, 7. Okay. So this was a secret to everybody except for Walter and his close associate Roxanne, played by Heather McNair. So yeah, the hot Heather McNair was also in this. So they do try and fight crime basically. So it's basically a police buddy cop kind of show where he pretends to. So you can using cursor, which is basically an actual cursor in real life. It comes out of the screen and can create this car for him, turns it into a bike, into a helicopter, and all that stuff. And it's the suit that he normally comes in. When he goes out, he wears an actual suit of cloth to cover the glowing effects of this. So that's the front, and that's the back with some scenes from a couple of the episodes. So as you can, I'm going to show you a close up of it. That's him sitting in that car. It drives really fast, goes, takes into a turn instead of taking it like this. That's how it is. Special effects, sound effects are all my own, by the way. So opening inside the DVD, there are a booklet. I think something similar was in some other ones. And oddly enough, you have so many discs. Yeah, I think 2 was more than enough. Even 1 would have been fine. But yeah, I'll put it back in. So like I mentioned, this is the UK release. This is from Amazon UK. We've got 4 DVDs. I don't know why they have it, but yeah. It's kind of difficult to push it back inside. So along with the 13 full episodes, you also get a feature about Calling Automan, the auto feature, I think basically about the show. Documentary including interviews with Chuck Wagner, Glenn Larson, Daisy Arnaz Jr. and Heather McNair. The story of Automan, feature story, original cast and crew biographies, collectible gallery, stills gallery, and there's a trailer for this another 80s short-lived series called Manimal, which my cousins were heavily into. So like I mentioned, it's a Glenn Larson production, and I don't normally go for the special features that are added into the DVDs. I normally don't tend to watch them, but yeah, I think I will for this, because I don't know, this just brings back a lot of good memories. Me sitting in the evenings with a plate of my favorite food, a Coke in hand or a Pepsi in hand. I think I used to drink mostly Pepsi back then. Lemon Pepsi, that was my favorite, my dad's favorite as well. And watching shows like this, especially this one, I really admire. And I know my sister loves this as well, so I will see if she wants to borrow it and show it to her. Our kids are like now in 20s. My oldest nephew is 22 and the second one is 21, and my niece is still 14, so I think she might enjoy this a little bit more. But yeah, I will enjoy watching this. I don't think kids these days are actually, they think the special effects may not be that great and all that stuff, so I don't think they can actually appreciate the fun of awesome shows like this. But yes, I will definitely be enjoying this. I'm currently watching Battlestar Galactica, the reboot series. I'm finished season 3 right now, so it's final season, and then I will watch the final plan. The plan. And I am also watching some of X-Files, some of Star Trek, Stargate SG-1 as well, season 2. So that's it for the unboxing. I hope those of you who have watched the show, please do comment below. If you're interested in watching the show, please do comment below. And I normally don't ask this, but please do rate my video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I would love to hear from you guys as well. So I'm hoping to hit 300 subscribers pretty soon. I'm almost there, and so on beyond that. All right, guys, take care and bye-bye.